Smile and learn.
Hi there! What do a bicycle, a crane, and a robot vacuum have in common?
None of them dance, but all three make our lives easier.
Bingo, Smilie! Although, when it gets stuck, our robot vacuum at home kind of looks like it's dancing. Anyway, all of these are machines and robots, amazing inventions that make our lives easier. Some help us move around, others make us stronger, and some even do tasks for us. Let's explore the fascinating world of machines and robots together. Machines. Let's break it down. First, what is a machine? A machine is anything we use to help us do a job. There are two kinds, simple and complex. Scissors or wheels are examples of simple machines because they're made of just one or two parts. A car or an elevator are examples of complex machines. They're made up of more than two simple machines. A lever, a pulley, a ramp, and a screw. Would you say they're simple or complex machines? That's right! They're simple machines because, like we said before, they're made of just one or two parts and help make work easier. Have you ever thought about what life would be like without screws? On the other hand, if we talk about a washing machine, a printer, or a bicycle, what are we talking about? Awesome! They're complex machines because they're made by combining more than two simple machines. For example, in the case of the bicycle, we see that it's made up of two wheels and their axles, which allows it to move. The pedals act like levers that make it easier to transfer force. The bike's chain is made up of a pulley system, and finally, many parts are connected with screws. Next time you ride a bike, you won't see it the same way, will you? Robots. We know what machines are, but what makes them different from robots? Well, a robot is a machine that can move or do things on its own, following the instructions we give it or program into it. Among many other things, they can talk, work, or solve problems on their own. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's my robot vacuum. If I'm not careful, it'll suck up my socks. As you can see, it's programmed to clean the house without anyone telling it where to go. Can you think of other examples of robots? Awesome! I can think of a drone, a robotic arm, or a self-driving car as examples of robots. Great job! To sum up, all machines do work, but robots are machines that can work on their own without needing to be controlled by a person. See you soon, friends! We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.